today's menu, we are going to prepare beans, sweet potatoes, chicken, and mchicha. Karibuni sana. And here are our ingredients. I have chicken, beans, sweet potatoes, courgette, onions, sweet pepper, parsley, carrots, all spices, salt, garlic, chili pepper, and fresh mchicha. First thing, we will have to wash our beans. Next step will be boiling our beans. So, ready to boil. I'm going to boil this for 2 hours. All right. So guys, these are peeled potatoes, sweet potatoes. I'm going to cut them in small pieces so that we can boil them. I'll add salt to taste. We will add water. From this point, we cover our potatoes to boil for 30 minutes. Guys, as we wait for our potatoes to boil, we will be cooking our chicken. I've already cut into smaller pieces, ready to cook. We will add salt to taste, pinch of chili pepper. We will cover it to steam on a low heat, like 10 minutes. We are back after 2 hours. Our potatoes are ready, well cooked. Also our beans are ready. Okay. So we're gonna mix them together. Guys, as we wait for our chicken to steam slowly, I will mash this together. So it's ready. Kumsenye. Kikwetu tunaita kumsenye. Sijui kikwenu. Hebu komenda hapo chini mnaambie vile mnaita kikwenu. All right. This is done. Our chicken is ready. And I think the chicken has enough oil, so I'm not going to use any additional cooking oil. I'll mix everything together. I'm going to fry our courgettes. I'll add salt to taste. I'll add spices. I'll add soy sauce. Guys, our chicken is ready. I've cooked this chicken without cooking oil, and it's ready. I'll go ahead and switch off the heat, then garnish it with parsley. Also, this one is ready, as you can see. I'll use the same pan to fry our mchicha. For that, I will need cooking oil. I'll add salt to taste. Mchicha. I add the cooking cream. Ow! Our mchicha is ready. Yeah, yummy. Oh. Guys, our food is ready. I've done our mashed beans and potatoes together. And here is our chicken. I cooked without cooking oil. So I mixed with the vegetables to take away the fat in the chicken. Courgette, ready. And mchicha. As you can see, it looks so yummy, well done and ready to eat. And in the kitchen today, I have two guests who are going to taste our food. Karibu. Matron Mila, my namesake. Karibuni.
Hey,
Hi.
how are you doing?
I'm fine.
You look so gorgeous in the kitchen. Oh my god, this place is so clean.
So
I love it. So delicious.
Karibu dear.
Yeah,
The food is ready and you're gonna eat this.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Good.
And I also have Matthew 001 coach. Karibu kwa jikoni yetu.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yes, I'm fine.
Yes, you know, that's such a nice meal here.
Yes.
What do we have today?
I did sweet potatoes
Yes.
na maharagwe. Nikachemsha. Then I mashed them
Yes.
without using cooking oil. I also did chicken
Chicken.
without using cooking oil.
Wow, that's
So
good.
I used vegetables to steam together so that I can get the oil.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And we have chicha
Yeah, okay.
and courgette fried.
Congratulations.
Asante. So I will serve.
Okay.
Mwenye anakula nyingi aniambie. Mimi.
Mimi na nini kwa mimi?
Nani anakula mguu?
Of course, miguu ni wanaume.
Nilikuwa nadhani kifua.
Miguu na kifua, madem ndio wanakulanga.
Yeah, that's a simple
Nini? Hapa kama hizo ndio wanakulanga.
Oh man, this is what you should consume on a daily basis if you want to maintain that.
I see.
Sexy figure.
Gorgeous figure, yeah.
Yeah.
You know.
Do you like eat this also at home?
Yeah, I do, of course. Like twice a week, it doesn't harm.
No. Yeah. It's healthy. Let's sit down and enjoy our meal.
Okay, thank you.
Karibu.
Ladies first. So, Vicky, you mean nikitaka hii chakula, it can be delivered at my doorstep?
Yes. I do deliveries. You order in advance, then we cook for you. We do deliveries.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because actually, this is a balanced diet.
Yeah.
Kuna vegetables hapa, kuna some carbohydrates, there's some protein.
Yes.
Na huku umeniambia hujaweka mafuta.
No.
Which is the best thing.
Yeah.
Unajua watu wengi wanakosea kwa sababu kama ni kuku unakuta mtu ana deep fry.
Yeah, too much
That's what now
oil.
makes it worse. Sweet potatoes are very good also for your body.
Yes.
Because they contain a lot of fiber, good for the body.
Yes.
Some minerals like calcium for your bones.
Yeah.
So, you like this thing?
Sweetie, uko aje uko?
I'm very okay. This food, guys, very nutritious. As in, yeah, that's what we say.
Iko tamu?
Very.
Umei like?
Yeah, love it. I really, really
Yeah.
love it.
And you can see you're also looking very well kept. Do you do fitness?
What I can say is just eating healthy, a little bit of exercise, and you're good to go. Yeah, food, stuff like this one matter a lot.
Sweet potatoes are nutritious and delicious root vegetables. They are creamy and soft enough to be an ingredient in several pie recipes, and they have good source of vitamin A, vitamin B5, riboflavin, niacin, among others. They also contain many medical benefits such as anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, ulcers, and anti-cancer, among others. Beans are a rich source of fiber and vitamin B, a great replacement for meat as source of vegetarian proteins. They have numerous benefits such as reducing cholesterol, decreasing blood sugar levels, and increasing health good bacteria.
Actually, squeezy. With the world right now, you know everyone is desperate about being healthy.
Healthy,
About their
exactly.
health. I
Yeah.
don't think there's anything that watu wanatafuta sahi, it is just health. Even with corona and what, unaona tunaambiwa tukunye sijui limau, ginger, to boost your immune system. Yeah. So whatever goes on your plate is very important.
It matters a lot.
Plays a big role.
Monday to Saturday, we cook. And I welcome everyone who wants to order anything from Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. You check the menu on our YouTube channel.
Okay.
We cook 1 meal per day.
Yes.
You can order in advance. We cook for you. We deliver.
So for example, I can make a special order.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, it
You
doesn't
can
have
make-
to be what is on the menu?
No.
Oh,
No.
so I can tell you I want mashed sweet potatoes.
Yes. And like
and
this
chicken.
one.
Yeah.
And then I do for you.
Ah, that's great. That's great.
So long as you do in advance.
That's
Since I don't have my own restaurant, I advise all my viewers or my clients to order in advance. I have enough time to prepare. Then boom,
Yeah.
we bring.
oh, Vicky,
Yes.
that was a delicious meal.
Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it.
Naona hata sahani hakuna kitu.
Karibu tuanze.
Lakini naona wengine bado wako na chakula. Ama
Huyu anakula
malengo ya mwisho kwa meza, so pole pole.
lakini najua watakula baadaye.
Behind the scenes.
And that was a delicious meal,
Yeah.
a balanced diet,
Thank
and
you.
very healthy. So I would recommend anyone who wants to order for good food, just call Vicky's Kitchen and they'll do the rest for you. Yeah, the portions are okay.
Yeah.
the balancing of the food on the top notch. Thank you so much, Vicky.
Asante
I'm
sana.
hoping to see you for a more for more of this.
Guys, this is code 001.
Yeah.
Lucky Fitness. You can reach out to him.
Yeah, on
if you need
Instagram,
him.
code 001.
Yeah.
Facebook, Matthew.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ukisha kula,
Yeah.
unakuja mimi na kutrace.
Awesome.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah.
So guys, this was the best food I've ever had.
Oh.
Very delicious,
That's so
nutritious, any full package, I can
Yes.
say so. Asante sana. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't also forget to follow them on Instagram at Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. We are watching.
On Facebook, Vicky's
Yes.
Kitchen.
Uh-huh.
Leave a comment in our comment section on YouTube.
Yeah.
Tell us what you think.
Mhm.
And maybe request to come and join us to eat and taste our meal also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Karibuni.
It was very nice to have you around, sweetie. Thank you.
Guys, thank you very much for staying with us. This is Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen, and I'll see you in my next video. Asante.